You wait here.
Buddy, is there a back exit?
It's on that side.
Anushka, let's go.
No.
Come on, come on. It's quite late, right? Let's go.
Siddhant, I won't leave from here until I speak to Vedant. I told you, right?
Yes, Vedant. Are you outside? Waiting for Anushka? Yes, she's here. She's with me. Okay, fine. You wait there. I'll get her.
Vedant is waiting outside? So what are we doing here? Let's go. We will send him away from outside.
Hey. Not from this side. He's on that side. The other side.
Veda! Vedant's over there. You stay over here. I'll go and say no to him. No.
Where is he though? He's not over there.
Look. There he is.
No, he's not there. He's over there. He's there outside. Come.
Hello, sir. Sir, I was waiting for you. Miss Anushka was waiting for you and she left.
She left.
Yes, sir. Though I should not, but I would like to say something. You shouldn't make girls wait. They get upset.
I had left on time. But you know how bad Delhi's traffic is. I got late while arriving here.
And Siddhant is opposite of that. He makes a late start, but he arrives right on time.
What do you mean?
Nothing. Siddhant told me that everything is under control and there's nothing to worry about.
So, Siddhant has also left.
Yes, sir. He had some urgent work to take care of. So he told me to wait for you. That is the reason I was waiting for you, sir.
Siddhant, alcohol isn't such a bad thing, is it? I feel as though I've got wings. Let go of me. I want to fly.
No. I can't let go of you.
Really? You'll never let go of me, right, Siddhant? You've let go of me. You just told me that you would never let go of me, but you let go of me so soon. Why do you always do this to me, Siddhant? Phone. Give me my phone. Vedant, I'll tell him right now that I don't want to marry him. Hey!
No, don't talk to anyone right now. Talk to him in the morning when you are sober. Only then it will make sense. Shall we go?
Come on. Come on. Siddhant, this is your house. Why did you bring me here?
Where else would I take you? Your dad will be furious if he sees you like this. Well, it's good that Mom and Purva have gone to Allahabad for Madhurima's wedding.
Oh. Is your Madhurima getting married? You didn't even tell me. Aunt Gayatri should have informed me, right?
Okay, I'm sorry. Next time around, I'll ask Mom to inform you before going anywhere. Alright?
Okay. Siddhan, what are you looking for?
I'm not able to find the keys to my house. I think I forgot to take them in the morning. I'll climb in from the balcony and open the door from inside. You stay right here.
No, I will come with you. I want to come with
Anushka,
you.
try to understand. Hold this bag and stay
No,
here.
no.
Just a second.
I want to come with you.
Just stay right here. Alright? Don't move. I'll be right back.
Siddhan, you know what? The ladder goes upwards. And the same ladder comes down as well. I've climbed these so many times.
I thought that the stairs only go upwards. But you have proved to me that these come down as well.
Very funny.
What are you doing, Anushka? You, please, stay here.
No, you stay here. I'll climb up and open the door.
Anushka, please, try to understand. You'll fall down. Come on, get down. Get down, please.
Okay, fine.
Carefully.
I'll climb down only because you said please.
Yeah, please, get down now.
Climb up quickly and open the door.
I'm going. You get down.
Why I can't get through Purva's phone number? Just because the project has ended, she has forgotten me.
Tomorrow onwards, you won't have to see me in these clothes or in Indian attires.
Could it be that she's upset about what happened the other day? Let me go to her house and check.
Hello, Auntie. How are you? You welcome everyone who comes here, right? By the way, I like your earrings. I don't have my phone right now, or else I would have surely clicked a selfie. Well, the next time I come here to meet Purva or Aunt Gayatri Aunt, she is such an amazing cook. So yes, when she comes back, I will surely click a selfie with you.
Anushka? Anushka?
Hey, Siddhant.
Hey, Karthik. What brought you here at this hour?
Well, I was just passing by. I thought I should come here and meet all of you. Miss Gayatri and Purva are at home, right? I'll go and meet them.
They are not at home. They've gone to Allahabad to attend a wedding. They'll be back the day after tomorrow.
No wonder Purva's number was not reachable. Well, I had to discuss a few designs with Purva and her number was not reachable. I tried calling her up. By the way, the weather is pretty cool. I think it's going to rain. Come on, let's go inside and talk.
Hey, no, why do you want to go inside? It's such a cool weather. We don't get to experience such a cool weather here.
Right.
Let's sit outside and talk. Come.
Okay, let's go.
Come.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू